Hello there, my name is Krishna Kumar from Barry-Wehmiller. Let me thank you for your interest and your need to understand more about the value of the EPDM ERP interface. While working with engineers, we noticed they always look for solutions that help streamlining their processes and other innovative methods to reduce manual rekeying when it came to dealing with engineering data across EPDM and ERP systems. It's also true that manual intervention led to multiple business issues, namely increased cost of inventory and reduction in revenue, amongst many others. EPDM to ERP integration helps you manage these business issues better by an on-demand data transfer from your EPDM to ERP. This is automatic and helps you initiate first-time transfer, updates to assembly revisions, among other features.